Immerse yourself in the nature of Euskadi. Its beautiful hills, magical forests and vast prairies. Its breathtaking cliffs and gentle beaches. Discover the ever-changing flora and fauna of the Basque parks and natural reserves.
Like no one could hear me. Wanted to belong here.
Come and discover the green Euskadi.
So I pray I could break.
Euskadi is a unique natural setting where the colour green stands out in all of its tonalities. This colour is much more than a mere pigment. It shows a way of life that has shaped the character, culture and tradition of this land.
Make a wish, take a chance, make a change, and break out.
From rugged cliffs and beaches to mountain ranges like Aizkori or Chindoki, along which to take beautiful hikes or go for riskier activities like climbing or mountain biking.
Take a risk, take a chance, make a change.
Euskadi offers an extensive tourist offer for all those in search of energy-packed holidays. From surfing to horse riding, to playing golf on the most exclusive courses. If you are an active and dynamic kind of tourist, you will certainly not have time to get bored.
Sleep under a palm tree, feel the rush of the ocean.
Basque nature stands out for its many natural protected areas made up of parks and biotopes. Places untouched by man and that still preserve their purity, colour and uniqueness. The Basque coastline is 252 kilometres long and is one of the most striking natural landscapes. The sandy beaches alternate with steep cliffs. The constant erosion of the sea reveals spectacular locations as the Flysch of Motriku, Deba and Sumaya. And the river mouth leads the way towards natural reserves as spectacular as the Urdaibai Biosphere Reserve, an idyllic spot where to lose oneself.
And break away. Buildings with 100.
Meanwhile, inland, you will be able to enjoy 1,001 colours of the natural spaces untouched by man.
Gotta keep moving on, fly away, break away.
Near the rivers, you will find big and small dams surrounded by a unique landscape which will take your breath away.
Ones that I love, I gotta take a risk, take a chance, make a change, and break out.
Strolling along this wonderful natural landscape, you will come across beautiful sanctuaries of devotion for the Basques, like Urkiola and Arantzazu.
Take me, but gotta keep moving on.
Among the folds of the Aizkori mountain range is the sanctuary of Our Lady of Arantzazu, patron saint of Gipuzkoa, where two of the most renowned Basque artists worked on, Eduardo Chillida and Jorge Oteiza.
Goodbye, gotta take a risk, take a chance, make a change, and break out.
The possibilities that nature in Euskadi offers are manifold. Whether you choose to quietly enjoy the views of the humid landscapes alone or with your family, or opt for a more dynamic approach, everything is possible in the green Euskadi.